Hi guys, Andy here. This is a quick tutorial on how to use TrueCoach and all its different features from the client side. Let's log in here. This first screen that you'll be brought to is of all your current, upcoming, and past workouts. So these show all the upcoming ones or the ones that I have missed. And if I were to click this past tab here, this will show me all the workouts I've completed in the past. Now let's go to a workout we haven't done yet. Let's go to December 6th, or let's go to the 13th. Day A. Now if we click on Day A, we can see our warm-up, all the different warm-up exercise videos. We can see runner's lunge with a twist. We can play this. You can see how to perform the exercise. We can see our different exercises that we have. We have goblet squats. We have 2 sets of 20 reps, 1 minute rest, different cues, and then we can actually see a demo video if we click this on how to perform a goblet squat. We keep scrolling down, you can see we have a bunch of different exercises. As you go through each of these exercises, I encourage you to click this button, it'll check it off. You, as the coach, I can see this, so I know that you actually completed the exercise. If you have any questions or you want to enter your results on how you did on the exercise, you can do that here. So for goblet squats, you could say you did 2 sets of 23 reps at 30-pound dumbbells. So you could let the coach know how you did there. You could even upload a photo. This is really easy to do. You can do this from local files, camera, Google Drive, a Dropbox, your Instagram, or a direct link from a website. Let's just give an example of me uploading something from Instagram for this. This isn't a goblet squat, this is a barbell back squat, but it'll kind of provide the same thing. So I can give it a title here, call it back squat, so the coach knows what it is. You click play, you can see me performing the exercise. It's pretty simple. We can hold it to delete it here if you uploaded the wrong video or you didn't like it for some reason. As you keep coming down, make sure to check off all these exercises. When you get done, you can see the cool down here, the different stretches for that, and then if you know, this workout went great. You could even leave a GIF if you wanted to. Send that to your coach. And then finish the workout by hitting update results. Now this workout will show up as one of the ones you've done in the past is complete, and it will no longer be kind of in the workouts that you have upcoming. Now the next tab over we have at the top is nutrition. For this, I have my actual kind of current nutrition here. So, 436 carbs, protein, fat, fiber, goal of 3,300 calories. You can leave your coach a note on how that day went and then log it. You can even upload a file if you're uploading a page printed off from another website like MyFitnessPal. The next tab over that you can see is messages. So you can message back and forth with your coach on this on TrueCoach, which is pretty handy. You can hey coach, how's it going? You could even send them a GIF here too, or an emoji, or even add a photo if you really wanted to. So, pretty simple here, you can send that. The next tab over is the support tab. For the most part, this is just going to redirect you to messaging your coach, but if you were to click this line right here, if you ever found any bugs, you could email that to TrueCoach. But honestly, if you find any bugs, just let your coach know and they can probably handle that part for you. This final tab you see over here is the profile tab. So this first tab up here will bring you to all your details. So your name, your last name, your email, your Skype, your location, time zone, birthday, height, weight, email settings. You can upload a photo of yourself. You can change your password. You can change what you see your units in, imperial or metric. You can change your gender. Email settings are pretty important. You can change if you want to have your workouts emailed to you daily, if you have your missed workouts emailed to you, and if you have your upcoming workouts emailed to you. And then this tab, I always highly recommend that you have this checked. It's email me when my coach comments on a workout and email me when my coach messages me. At least have the messages me one, so you know when your coach is trying to get a hold of you, they don't have to call you or text you to get a hold of you, and communication's a lot smoother. Below this tab, you have my goals. See, be strong, be happy. You can see the goals that your coach sets for you here. You can see your nutrition again below this. Metrics, so these are kind of interesting. TrueCoach will allow you to see or track different metrics over time. So I could track how much weight I'm lifting in a deadlift over time, and it'll actually show a graph of how I performed over time, which is pretty fun. You can upload an image here of you actually doing it, and you can kind of change results if you get a new one. Let's say, this morning I got 405, got a 2.5 pound PR. I can save that, it'll show up on the graph here. You can go back. You can also track other things, not just weight. So how hard did I push myself this week? Let's say this week, I pushed myself an 8 out of 10. The week before that was a 9 out of 10. The week before that was a 7 out of 10. So you can track a bunch of different things here if your coach sets them up. The next tab here is progress photos. So you can see they archive by date. So I uploaded a few earlier here, but it's actually really simple to do. You just hit add progress photos. You have a front photo, a side photo, and a back photo. You can get this from, again, local files, camera, Google Drive, Dropbox, Instagram, or a direct link, and it's super simple. You just click. This isn't a progress photo per se, but you just click the photo, you add it, and then it should pop up here. Yep, there we go. So, going back, you can write in your equipment that you have. This could be equipment that you have at home or equipment that you take with you to the gym that you could be using. This allows your coach to see it. So, see, I wrote here, I got new adjustable dumbbells, 5 through 50 pounds, to let my coach know. Or you could tell your coach this some other way. You can message this to them, and they could add it in themselves. The last tab we have here is switch to coach. This is if you wanted to start coaching for Fitbot from the client side. Not that important for you to know about. And the last thing we have here is to log out. Otherwise, that is everything I have to show you on how to use TrueCoach from the client side. If you have any questions about this, please message me or leave a comment on this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay happy, stay healthy. Peace.